Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be a product review and a product demo over this hair company. So before I tell y'all the name of it, I do want to say they reached out to me on Instagram, and obviously I was very honored because they are the first hair company to reach out to me, and this hair company is a small black owned business. Okay, we support black businesses over here. That's what we do. So I just thought that was a plus. So this small black owned business is called Groveda Hair Solutions. Now I will have their website down below and their Instagram, and I will try to have their Facebook linked down below as well, because I know they do have a Facebook page, and we support black businesses. Okay. Anyways, the products they sent me were their organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask, and then they also sent me their Groveda hair serum. So both of these products are handmade, and yeah, they're both handmade, and that's really good. So everything in here is organic, or it should be organic. So as for the organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask, it is a deep conditioner, obviously, for dry and damaged hair, and it hydrates and nourishes for silkier, healthier, soft hair. And I can definitely vouch for that, but if you want to hear more details about this specifically, I'm going to need you to keep watching this video. And just wait a second, because I'm going to get to that, because y'all, I got something to tell y'all about this. And then as for better, more stuff to make you want this, it does not contain any parabens, no preservatives, no minerals, no petroleum, no sulfates, and no formaldehydes. And as for the good stuff that it does contain, it obviously contains matcha green tea, bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, avocado, silk amino acid, and hemp seed oil. So yeah, that's what it contains, and it's actually a really good product. I'm going to show y'all the consistency and all that a little bit later, right after the demo part. So once again, keep watching. And as for the Groveda hair serum, it promotes hair growth and thickness, and it prevents less breakage and frizz. In quotations underneath, it says brings the growth. And for this, let's see, I'm gonna just tell y'all some of the nice ingredients they have. They have olive oil, olive fruit oil. They have coconut oil, hemp, grapeseed oil, biotin, vitamin C, E, omega-3 and 6. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much the two products they sent me. The next clip that you will see is a demo, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the products as the demo goes on, and y'all get to see how my hair reacted to it. And right after that demo, I will be back with the actual review part. So just keep watching, please keep watching. This is a very great hair company. They're very sweet. They were very sweet to me, and they were very patient with me with doing their reviews and stuff. And I'm just they're very good company. So just keep watching so y'all get to see how their products work in my hair, and you get to see my thoughts and opinions. Okay, you guys, so this is the products that I'm going to be using that was sent to me. And to start off, I'm really just showing y'all how my hair looked before getting started. And to shampoo and condition my hair, I did use this Cantu cleansing cream shampoo and hydrating cream conditioner. I just thought it was important to show you guys what I used before even getting started. So here you go. So the first thing that I do after pinning my hair in half is spritz it with water to get it damp enough to detangle. And once it is damp enough to detangle, I will begin detangling with my paddle brush. And now I'm going to take that organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask, and I'm going to start, well, first I'm going to smell it and feel the consistency of it first, because I want to know, how much to start off with in my hair, because if it was a thicker consistency, I would have, only used a little bit, but it was a lighter consistency, which I really liked. But yeah. Now, I was actually really sleepy while recording this, so you won't be able to tell, what I truly thought through facial expressions. Not that I know of, but I was actually really like shocked on how well my hair immediately reacted. As you can see, my hair already looks more moisturized, and as I was putting in, I was like, dang, like, this is dope. I like it. It's making my hair very moisturized. My hair is reacting very well to it. And I actually used a nice amount because my hair really did like it. So this is how my hair looked after finishing applying the deep conditioner. And now I'm finna go in with the Groveda Hair Serum. And they were kind enough to send me a applicator to use with it, because y'all saw the original top, but this applicator makes it easier to get to my scalp, as you see me doing now. Then I'm going to rub it in, and then after that I'm going to go in with the oil on my hand, and then just seal in all the moisture from that deep conditioner. And in my personal opinion, this hair serum smells like peppermint. I like the way it smells though. And then when I finished this side, I brushed it back, detangled a little bit more, and then I started braiding it up.
And as you can see, it's lumpy. It's real lumpy. Look at that lump.
After I finish braiding up the other side, I go ahead and I crisscross my braids and pin them up. And then I put on 2 plastic caps and my bonnet. Okay, so the next morning right here, you're seeing me take down the braids and just how my hair looks afterwards. It looks very shiny and just healthy overall. I really like the way it looked, and I was very impressed with the deep conditioner. And then in these next few clips, you're just going to see me, just comb it out a bit, just to see some more true definition from the actual deep conditioner. And I like the way my hair turned out very much. Like, if it wasn't a deep conditioner, I would have left it in, if I'm being honest. But I did rinse it out, but I'm just showing you what it's looking like. Okay guys, so as y'all just saw, these products worked amazingly in my hair. So if y'all watch my channel, y'all know I get what works for my hair. So that doesn't always mean that I go for the most natural products, and this is a natural product. This matcha green tea avocado hair mask is a natural product. It was handmade, and it worked very well in my hair. As y'all saw, it immediately started penetrating my hair, and I'm not used to that. So I wanted to use more because my hair was just soaking it up. It was just soaking it up. And as you can see in those clips of how shrunk up my hair was from just sitting here, like, during not even 5 minutes after putting it on, and my hair was already just soaking it up and getting all the benefits from it. And then something else I wanted to point out was when I took the plastic bag off the next day, my hair was soft, like still soft. And I'm gonna explain to y'all what I mean. So when I use IC Moist conditioner or deep conditioner, when I take it off and I kind of scrunch my hair feels squishy, like the product is somewhat still sitting on my hair. My hair was nothing like that with this, which is a good thing. That showed that every bit of product that I put in my hair was absorbed within my hair strands. Like, my hair really did like this product. And as you can see, I'm gonna show y'all again. And this is supposed to be refrigerated, you guys. There's no preservatives in there, so mine is a bit darker than y'all's would be if y'all bought it. So keep it refrigerated. It has a amazing smell. I just love the smell of this. It smells so good. But the consistency It's very light, and I like that. Like, it doesn't feel like it's so much in this product. Like, it feels natural. And as I was recording, I was showing y'all, it did, this is how you know it was handmade. You see right here, it got little lumps in it, and I'm not for sure. I think it's avocado lumps. I don't eat avocado so I'm not literally for sure exactly, you know, what ingredient it is, but I'm almost positive it's avocado. And I just thought that was interesting. Like, this is so handmade that it still has avocado chunks in it. Or it could have been the matcha green tea. I don't exactly know what everything is. I should have did my research on these ingredients before recording so I can give y'all further information, but that was a mistake on my part. But yeah, I just really did enjoy this product, and I recommend this to anybody. Yeah, and as like I said earlier, I was gonna tell y'all about this silkier, healthier hair, soft hair. It did make my hair feel silkier. It made it feel healthier, and it made my hair soft. And I usually get a lot of shedding throughout my whole wash day process, mainly when I'm detangling, obviously. But I didn't detangle with this, but mainly when I'm detangling. But even then, I usually get a lot of shedding, and with this I did not get much shedding at all. And even when I waited a few days to style my hair. I used this, today is Saturday, so I probably used this Thursday night, I want to say. I may be wrong. Thursday night or Wednesday night. One of those 2 days. And I just now styled and braided my hair today. So I had my hair in a messy bun all up to this point. Just in a bonnet though. I kept it put up, but it was not like done. And even today, I had to, you know, wet my hair and detangle a little bit. But it wasn't much shedding. And I would like to credit that to this. So also, after I used this, as y'all saw in the video, I put this on top of it, and it's a hair serum, but it's an oil. It's like an oil to me. Like, this doesn't seem like no what's the word? Manufactured. It doesn't feel like a manufactured serum like I use, like the Garnier Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum that I love talking about. This is not like that at all, but I like it. I do. And as you can see, this is the top it comes with, but they were, as you saw in the video, they were nice enough to send me a applicator. I don't want to turn it upside down because it got a little bit of oil in there, but yeah. And let me just show y'all. Like, it's not as oily as oils are, so it's a little bit serum like, but it's not as manufactured feeling as other serums are. And I like that. Like, this, I told y'all I can't use straight up oils when I'm separating my hair, when I do different styles like twist outs or perm rosettes or flexi rosettes, anything like that. I really can't use an oil to help separate because it doesn't do nothing for my hair, and like even on my hands. But this feels so much different. As you can see, I'm still just twisting my fingers up in it. It just feels so much, it feels like a serum, like an organic serum, and I really like it. And I like it. And I don't know if I mentioned this in the actual demo part. I probably did though. As y'all see, I have been protective styling all summer. I haven't did a wash and go since May, and it's August. It's like mid-August now. I haven't did a wash and go. And since my hair has been, you know, in these styles, my scalp gets really dry, especially right here in this area. And I have been using this on my scalp since I got it in the package, and that was like 2-3 weeks ago maybe. And since I got the package, but I've been using that for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and I have seen a difference in my the health of my scalp. My scalp is not as dry, and then on top of that, I used to have a really itchy scalp as well, and not no more. And I've been using this, as you can see. Like, I don't know if you can see that well, but, and I just really like both of these products. So you guys, like I did say in the very beginning, I will have their Instagram, their website, and their Facebook linked down below. And yeah, I just really hope you guys check them out. And All their information will be the first thing in my description box. That's the first thing you will see. And yeah, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I really did try to do something different with an actual demo and review. So I hope I hope you liked it. Bye y'all. See you in my next one. Mwah.